Good morning, dear friends. This is your life and health coach, Dr. Wandoh Timothy, the wellness consultant and the Diva expansion executive promoter. I'm just going to do the demonstration of how to use the Diva stem cell, because many people keep asking the same question because they have never seen those demonstrations in the video. We tell them by our mouth only, but they have never personally witnessed how to use it. Okay, it's very simple. I'm going to do very simple things. Just watch. You take the sachet. This sachet is different than the one in Malaysia, but it's the same content. We take the sachet like this. There is already design how to cut it. You cut like this. Okay. When you cut it, you just get it ready like that. After, when I put under my tongue, for the next 3 minutes, I will not feel or something like that. I will not talk. So that you see how I'm going to be in the spirit of a meditation. I'm not going to talk again, okay? See, watch what I'm going to do. Under the tongue. We didn't say on the tongue, but under. Ha. You do, ha? Guys, I just finished in 3 minutes. Just now I just finished for 3 minutes. Now I swallow. Many of you have a confusion. You have to keep it under your tongue without movement for 3 minutes. And then after 3 to 5 minutes, if you can go up to 5 minutes, will do good for you, because under our tongue we have what we call a stream. Blood stream is there that your eyes cannot see. So I think in doing so, you will do the correct way. So some of you put under your tongue, you put on your tongue only, and you swallow in few seconds. No, we say under. Under is down, because where there is blood stream is down. This part, your eyes cannot see. So try to do practice like that, and you will be okay. Thank you so much. See you again.